Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case, and let me explain why. So first, if you have a screen protector that's poorly applied, that's, for example, it's covering the edges, the part of the phone and not the entire screen, so it's a little bit off center, then it can cause your screen to become less responsive. Now for the case, if it's covering even a tiny part of the screen here, if it's touching on it, then that can also mean one thing, that basically your screen is less responsive, because sometimes it can count your touch and sometimes it just won't. So make sure to go and check that out and remove it if that's the problem. Now, what you guys can do is grab a microfiber cloth, for an example, and clean your screen to remove any debris, moisture, and fingerprints. So here I have the microfiber cloth. Now let's give it 3 swipes. 3 swipes are definitely enough, and now our screen is pretty and shiny. So what we want to do next is restart our phone to refresh the system. So hold the power button, press on restart, and let me quickly do that again. Press on restart and then tap on the icon again to restart the phone. If you have a password, then draw it, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. So after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software to check if you have the latest version. Now let's wait for the Android to start up. Now let me tell you why you need to update your software. So basically, when you have an old software, then it contains a lot of more glitches than the newer one. So if you are on the latest version, then you have less glitches or no glitches. But if you are on an older version of the software, then you will definitely have a lot of glitches. So let's scroll down, go to software update, and here click on download and install. It will check for updates automatically if you have the Wi-Fi connection. Now my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.